Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni.
Katana disaster management jong kajala. Kenang bagi nong sosnong kentip ya Kiei ke bagi dai bende, bat Kiei ke bagi dai ban Kiar. Lada wanja kansan ke Lynshup ki bor ke Mariang. La kalong kom haka baki jumai ke Jinghikai ke Eryong, ke Jing Shlai ke Jing Ploding, ke Jing Klam ki lom bat ki deng, bat Kiei ki Jingja. Nakapor sekapor kajulat ki Paidbah ban Jinghikai kerpang ya ki halor kini ki man. Dangan ni kasngiru ka life trek ulber. Ke kanhon jokane katnat sasisien kelas dang biang ya kini ke Jingai Jinghikai. Bat hakani ke kenti las dang ya kini ke Jingai Jinghikai haka wai ni ki benta jong kanong ba shilong ke ba ka ya ke yeng joki Paidbah ka thnam ba. Henne kasngi Kitkhot jong ka district disaster management jong ka East Castles district kila pelong ya ka mock drill ha popris bazar Shillong na ka bapan I kumno banle haba wanja kinu ki jingwan an chop jong ki bor ka Mariang.
This is only a mock drill. This is an exercise which Lynshup, Nati, Mariang.
Tag, getting yellow tag. Staging area.
This drill is conducted where the officer who are planning how to tackle this operation are sitting. White color. Logistic section.
The demobilization plan has been approved. We will Incident Commander, this is Information and Media Officer. Information is complete and compliant. Roger that.
Anything update? No?
Incident Commander.
Basically, this disaster management is very important for every one of us. It can be happen anywhere, anytime. So in this regard, the drill has been taken place. It was really very helpful to us, and we also learned many things about it. And we got a lot of instructions from the department. Then you have to do what and what to not, and how to evacuation should be done and everything. As well as we also had some mock drill yesterday in my staff. I have make 4 marshals out of my staff, and they are also given some tasks to do, what to do, how to evacuate the places, how to materials should be kept, how to take the people down, what's the procedures, how to handle the casualties if there are any, and rest how to inform the department, fire department or your disaster department to help us out. So we have done everything and these things, what happened is it was very nice today, and it was really very helpful to us.